How to get rid of ants by this simple home remedies. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Chalk. One of the home remedies to get rid of ants is to use chalk. Chalk contains calcium carbonate, which helps in keeping ants away. Spray some powdered chalk in the areas that are the entry points of ants, or draw a line of chalk at the entrance. In order to keep ants of your house, draw chalk lines so that these bugs don't enter. While it's not clear as to why this line stops the ants from coming inside, but it is surely effective. Make sure you make the line in a way that is out of reach of any child in the house. 2. Lemons. Squeeze a lemon or place lemon peels in places from where the ants enter. You can also wash your floors with water that has a little lemon juice added to it. Ants apparently don't like the smell of lemon juice, so they will keep away. Anything sour and bitter may keep the ants away, but any sugar is ants' best friend. So ensure you do not keep anything sweet that may attract the ants in some way or the other. Keep your kitchen slab absolutely clean and place the peels right there. 3. Pepper. Ants are pretty fond of sugar, but they hate pepper. Sprinkle pepper at the areas from where ants enter your house. This will help getting rid of ants. Cayenne pepper or black pepper are hated by ants. You can also make a solution of pepper and water and spray it near the entrant areas. The pepper wouldn't kill the ants, but definitely deter them from returning to your house. Make sure you clean the area where you want to spray the pepper solution. 4. Salt. Spreading salt near nooks and corners from where ants enter the house will help keeping ants away. Table salt is one of the best and the cheapest ways to get rid of ants naturally. Use ordinary table salt, not health-boosting rock salt. All you need to do is to boil water and add a large amount of salt to it, stirring it until dissolves. Pour into a spray bottle and spray where you think ants tend to enter from. 5. Cinnamon. Put cinnamon and cloves on the entrance of the house and the areas from where you think the ants can enter. This is a good method to also keep your house smelling fresh and earthy. Cinnamon is often regarded as an effective DIY ant control option. It is believed that cinnamon acts as a natural repellent, as ants can't stand strong smell. For more effective results, you can add some essential oil to the cinnamon powder, so that it busts with stronger smell, keeping the ants away. 6. White vinegar. Ants can't bear the smell of white vinegar. Prepare a solution of equal amounts of water and white vinegar. Add a few drops of essential oil to it and shake well. Store this solution and sprinkle it at the points from where the ants enter. Repeat this once daily. Again, this solution may not kill the ants, but definitely keep them away from entering the no entering zone. Spray it around your windowsills, doorways and other places where you usually see ants coming. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.